Okay, go. I'm recording you. Okay, Sarah, can I just have a Jagger, then you can have the rest?
I don't want it, menthol. Never mind. Wait, not yet.
Is it recording now?
No. Yep.
Hang on.
Same thing as like last time, pretty much. Now this time you know about the neck.
And don't actually throw punches.
No, we're not punching. No, we're...
Okay, go. He's too high for this right now. Ow.
Got it!
Tap, baby, tap.
Oh!
Tap, yo. Puss, baby.
Here you go.
Oh, he really locked it there. I was trying.